Hi everyone and welcome to Studio Hacks. It's Nat here, and in this video today we're going to be having a look at a fantastic new tool called Fliki AI. I'm going to be doing a quick review and giving you a tutorial on how to use it. And this is a way that you can turn text into videos with AI voices, and it will even pop some stock video in there and some high quality music. So the reason I really like Fliki, I've been using a similar tool called Fliki AI, but Fliki has some better options in my opinion. So if you've got any kind of website like a blog, or you're a social media marketer, or you want to create some content for your social media without having your face appear on the videos, this is a really good way of creating quick and easy video content. And according to the Fliki AI website, people spend 88% more time on websites with videos. So if you've got a blog and you've already written the blog posts, you can just take those blog posts and turn them into videos really quickly. I'll show you how to do that. They've got 900 AI voices as well, so they can even do the voiceover if you don't want to talk like I am now. You can just simply paste the text in and they sound really lifelike. They're starting to sound more and more like a real person, and even as an audio engineer I can start to hear they're getting very close to the point where you can't tell the difference if it's a person talking or whether it's just the AI voice. They've also got a stock media library with lots of high quality video to build out your video creations. So if you want to get started, I'll leave a link in the description where you can actually get a free trial. And if you go ahead to use the paid version, you'll get a discount with my link. Let's jump in and have a look at how we can use Fliki AI. So once you sign up for the free trial or you get a paid account, you'll get a screen like this, and this will show all the files of the videos that you have created. So let's do something really simple. I'm just going to create a really short video, let's say for Instagram, and you can do this for anything like YouTube, for your website. I'm going to use ChatGPT to write me a really quick little script for this video. Let's just say, write me 3 sentences. 3 sentences on how to lose weight. So if you've got a fitness blog or a fitness Instagram or TikTok or anything like that. So this will give me my little script. Now, if you want some higher quality text, I tend to use a tool called Article Forge, and I also use Jasper.ai. But just for the sake of this quick video, I'm just using ChatGPT. Let's select new file right here, and I'm going to call this weight loss video 1. It's going to be in English, and you can select whether it's just audio or a full video. I'm going to select a full video and hit create. Now by default it gives you a square video, but you can go to these video settings right here, and you can change it from square, which is Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn, to portrait, which is Instagram, TikTok, YouTube or Facebook, or the landscape, which is the full YouTube style video, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So I'm just going to turn mine into a YouTube video. And here you can change all of the font details, but I'll do that afterwards, after we've already created. See, now you've got that YouTube style video. I'm going to grab the first sentence from my weight loss video. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to give me an intro sentence. What I do is I'll pop that in there, and then I'm going to hit the plus. This is just creating the different scenes in my video. I'll bring across my first sentence. I'll put a 1 there. Here's my second sentence. There's a 2. And I'm going to do my last sentence right here. Now what we do is we select some images for each of these, some video rather. So in the first one, I'm going to click here and I'm going to type in weight loss. Let's search for video, hit enter. Let's just make this real quick and select whatever. So we're going to fill these out each with a video for each little scene. Now this is the default AI voice called Sarah. So we can just preview any of these by hitting the play button. Let's see this first one here.
With the rising prevalence of obesity and related health issues, many people are seeking effective ways to lose weight and maintain a healthy lifestyle.
So you can click here where it says Sarah, and we can have a listen to some of the other voices. On this account, I don't have the premium set up yet, so I'm just going to select any of the ones that are available just on the non-premium. Let's have a listen. You just hit the little speaker icon to listen to them.
Fliki helps you create audio.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using
Fliki helps you create audio.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
So I can apply this to all the voice selections on my video. Now let's see what it's done for the last one here.
Consistency and patience are key when it comes to losing weight. It is important to make sustainable lifestyle changes rather than relying on quick fixes or fad diets.
So now we've got our whole video. I want to add some music to it. So under more here, select background music. And then I choose background music here, and you can upload your own music if you've got some royalty-free music, or you can just use something from their library. Let's have a listen to that now.
2. A combination of healthy eating habits, such as choosing nutrient-dense foods and controlling portion.
Much better. So when you're done, I might just show you quickly this convert before I export this. So convert, you can do an idea to video, a blog post or video, or a tweet to video. So these are 3 fantastic ways. Rather than doing it manually like I am, it'll save you even more time. When I'm ready to export this video, here's the button right here, export. So now we've got our exported video. I'm going to download this. So you can see that the final export is nice and high quality. Let's have a quick look at that.
With the rising prevalence of obesity and related health issues, many people are seeking effective ways to lose weight and maintain a healthy lifestyle. In order to lose weight, it is important to create a calorie deficit by consuming fewer calories than your body burns through daily activities and exercise. 2. A combination of healthy eating habits, such as choosing nutrient-dense foods and controlling portion sizes, and regular physical activity is the most effective way to achieve weight loss. Consistency and patience are key when it comes to losing weight. It is important to make sustainable lifestyle changes rather than relying on quick fixes or fad diets.
It will have a watermark if you're not using the premium version, and to remove that watermark, just simply upgrade to one of their paid plans. If you want to try Fliki AI for free, just go down to the description and the pinned comment now, and there will be a link for you to get a free trial. I hope you found this video content valuable. If you did, make sure you do subscribe to the channel and like this video. Drop a comment if there's any topic you'd like me to cover in the future. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.